Working on your car or truck can be a huge hassle, especially when it comes to wiring. Well, you won't believe how easy AutoMeter has made it to install a tachometer on your Ford with their all-new plug-and-play Ford Tach adapter harness. All late model Ford applications require a tach adapter in order to operate aftermarket RPM-triggered devices like a tachometer or shift light. Our adapter simplifies this installation. This adapter is going to help you save time, avoid cutting factory wiring, and it will keep your setup nice and clean. It's a simple plug-and-play solution designed to work with late model Ford engines. And although it's great for engine swaps, it also makes adding a tach to your factory Ford engine insanely easy. And there's even a tach adapter that will work with a ton of different applications. And thanks to its design, you won't have to cut or splice any factory wiring. It comes with OEM connectors, making installation an absolute breeze. All you have to do is plug the tach adapter into your existing wiring. That's it. That's all there is to it. You're good to go. And since it's designed to fit perfectly, you won't have to worry about any compatibility issues, and it won't void your factory warranty. And this kit is fully reversible if you ever want to change things back. So if you're looking for an easy, hassle-free way to install a tachometer on your Ford, you're going to want AutoMeter's Ford plug-and-play tach adapter harness. Check it out at AutoMeter.com.